sport compact cars for 2024-2023 Lexus IS 500. In the realm of sport compact cars, the 2023 Lexus IS 500 emerges as a formidable contender, blending performance, luxury, and reliability in a sleek and stylish package. With its potent V8 engine, refined handling, and upscale amenities, the IS 500 represents a compelling option for drivers seeking an exhilarating driving experience without compromising on comfort and sophistication. Powering the 2023 Lexus IS 500 is a 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, a rare find in the sport compact segment. This powerhouse produces an impressive 472 horsepower and 395 lb-ft of torque, propelling the IS 500 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive configuration, the IS 500 delivers smooth and responsive acceleration, making every drive a thrilling experience. But the IS 500 isn't just about straight-line speed, it's also engineered to deliver agile and engaging handling. Lexus engineers have fine-tuned the IS 500 suspension and chassis to provide precise and responsive handling, allowing drivers to tackle corners with confidence and control. Whether navigating city streets or carving through winding mountain roads, the IS 500 offers a dynamic driving experience that is sure to delight enthusiasts. In terms of design, the 2023 Lexus IS 500 strikes a perfect balance between elegance and athleticism. Its sleek and sculpted exterior, accentuated by bold lines, aggressive front grille, and distinctive LED headlights, exudes confidence and sophistication. The IS 500's upscale aesthetic is further enhanced by premium features such as 19-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust tips, and a rear spoiler, which add a touch of sportiness to its appearance. Inside the cabin, the IS 500 offers a luxurious and tech-forward environment that is designed to indulge the senses and enhance the driving experience. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, wood trim, and aluminum accents create a refined ambience, while advanced features like Lexus Inform infotainment system, Mark Levinson premium audio, and Apple CarPlay/Android Auto integration provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2023 Lexus IS 500 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features, including Lexus Safety System Plus, which includes features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and adaptive cruise control, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Lexus IS 500 represents a compelling option in the sport compact car segment, offering a rare combination of performance, luxury, and reliability. With its potent V8 engine, refined handling, and upscale amenities, the IS 500 sets a new standard for excellence and reaffirms Lexus' commitment to delivering exceptional driving experiences. Whether cruising along the highway or attacking the racetrack, the IS 500 promises an exhilarating and unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.